Having desktop version of a blog is great, but today more than 60% of internet traffic comes from mobile devices. So even an MVP has to be mobile friendly. And I'm thrilled to announce that my microblog finally is. Hey there, I'm Grigory Holinok, and welcome to my weekly project updates. In my previous video, I showed that the blog is already responsive, so not many changes happened from the perspective of unauthorized visitor. A visitor can see the feed, all nested comments and replies just like before. So let's skip it and jump to authorization. The problem I faced last week was the inability to log in. That was because the Safari policy on iOS. Safari refuses to save cookies on sites without SSL. Issuing a certificate for the website you host locally is a bit tricky. Well, tricky enough that I spent 2 mornings on it. Long story short, now users can log in without problems. Once logged in, they can like posts, write comments and replies, and edit or delete them, just as simple as on any social media platform. At its core, my microblog is quite simple. I don't like how overloaded the WordPress dashboard feels, so my microblog has no admin dashboard at all. The admin view looks the same as the users, just with a few extra functions. One of them is creating new posts. There are 4 possible types of posts: text only, image, carousel, or a link preview. I showed the attachment feature in detail in one of my previous videos. Another feature only admin has is the deleting of any piece of content, including others' comments and replies. However, same as a user, an admin can edit only the content they created themselves. So admin powers is limited but sufficient for moderation. One important thing that's still missing is account settings. It sounds naive, but initial architecture didn't account for such an obvious feature, and now it's clearly necessary. With that, users will be able to change their password, float an avatar, change the display name, or delete their account. I've already added that to my schedule, but the priority task now is to deploy the current version of the product. I need to make sure it's deployable before adding new features. If the next sprint goes smoothly, you'll be able to explore my blog yourself next Friday. That's it for today. I'm open to experimenting with new video formats, so drop a comment if you'd like me to film how-to on setting up SSL certificates for local websites. Have a great weekend. See you. Bye.